Okay, hello everybody. Whether you're someone I sent this to or you're someone who just found this on YouTube, welcome to Call of War. So I'm going to explain the basics of the game since the tutorial isn't always the best. So as you can see, you're going to start off with troops. These are infantry. This is anti-air infantry. Up here, I have some armored cars and infantry, and you have these things called cities, and you have these things called provinces. The difference is in cities, you can build things like barracks, and as you can see, I've already built a level 1 tank plant. Barracks will let you produce infantry, and tank plants will let you produce anything that is armored. Now, how do you get these armored troops? You're going to want to hit research, hit infantry. Infantry is where you can like research infantry, motorized infantry, mechanized, commandos, all that. You can research militia. I wouldn't, because militia is weak and you should only ever use as a last resort defense. And then for tanks, you come here. I always research armored car. Then you can get tanks. Ordnance, I don't really use ordnance that much, but it's useful in some places. So if you want, you can research that. Same with air. I don't usually research it on day 1, maybe day 2 or 3. I always get attack bombers and interceptors. Unless I'm Britain, in that fact, I get naval bombers. Then there's the Navy. I usually don't research this much in this round, but there are rounds where I will research it. And secret. I don't recommend researching this right away. Research it maybe on like day 5, day 4, or like, let me see when this. Yeah, day 4 would be a good day to start researching. Day 3, maybe, if you really want to get ahead, so that you can eventually get these things. But that's pretty much it. What your goal should be is to build up your army. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, build barracks, tank plants, anything else you want. But if you're missing resources, like I'm missing food, you're going to want to build an industry. Industry helps you get food. And you see, Volgrass produces food. So if an area, like a city or a province of yours, produces a resource, you build industry in it. And industry will help with that. A recruiting station will increase the amount of manpower that places outputs, and a propaganda office will raise the morale. Morale raises over time, though. Bunkers will make your infantry and other troops in your place where you build them last longer and not die instantly. Infrastructure makes them move faster, and the capital, well, your capital is like your most important city. If that falls, then you lose tons of morale. Also, so that's how you build things in cities. But in provinces, you don't have as much. You have local industry, which works the same as industry, just for the provinces. Same with recruiting, propaganda. Then you have an airstrip. Airstrips are what planes can take flights off of. Those work in as aircraft factories in normal cities. Fortifications, which is bunkers, and infrastructure, which we already know. So now you know the basics of the game. And and if you're going to attack, you see you have your infantry thing here, attack. You select the core of a province. We're not going to get to that right now. But yeah, that's the basics. Next, I will explain how alliances work, coalitions work, and then also how wars work.